Alright, so what I want to do here is, where is my little pointer? I don't have one, so I'll have to make one. This guy right here is IC151, and I'm going to pull that off here. I think what I'm going to try and do is actually cut it off, and then I'll use the soldering iron to pull the legs off. I'm hesitant ever to use the heat gun if I don't have to. I just think heating these boards up is just a really bad idea. I know sometimes you absolutely have to, but I'll look for a different way around here. So if I can get that off without destroying any pads, I'll go that route. So let me see what I can do here. Alright, so I want to start seeing if I can cut that out of there. That's IC151. I don't know how much you're going to be able to see of this. Let me move this out of my way so I continue to bump the camera. Why is that in my way? Everything's in there. Okay. So that's this little guy right here. Yep. Alright. Looks like I successfully cut one side out. And if that's true, here's my little pin. And with that last one. Definitely hot because it just lifted up. I don't know what that was. I get a message. Alright, let's see. Probably just bend it back and forth like that. The leads all came off. And it's got a little dot in the very front where the dot on the chip goes. So the next thing I have to do is change and put my surface mount tip on my soldering iron. You're probably not going to be able to see anything but a flash. All right. Let me get my setup going here. And we'll see about cleaning that all off. This out of the way and see if we can zoom into the cleaned up version. cleaned up pad right there. That's where the chip used to live, right here. So let me go get another one. I was able to get some replacements, and they're supposed to be authentic Japanese chips, but I don't know how good that is because these ones don't seem to last too long. Alright, well, my ICs finally got here, and I thought they were here before. However, I ordered the wrong ones. So these came from China, and I mean, what are you going to do? I couldn't find any other vendors anywhere. They claim that they're NEC, but I thought that's the case. But let's just hope that they're the good Chinese ones and not the cheap knockoffs. So I don't know if there's really any way to tell. So let me get one of these out and I'll get it ready to go. And we'll go from there. There it is there. I'm going to pop it out. Come on out. There you go. I got to put my strap on when I start touching these things. All right, let's take a look at how well that fits. Someone stole my tweezers. That's it. They're gone. Well, I just had them here a second ago. Oh, there they are. That was close. All right. This is actually a decent sized IC. All right, and there's the dot on the front, I think. Yep, sure looks like it. There, I'll just knock it over. All right, I'll have to look at it under the old scope. So you're probably going to lose a lot of the footage, so I'm going to move you back like that. And I have no idea how well it's going to stay focused. Let's see, it seems to fit pretty nice. There we go. Actually, I paused through the entire soldering process. That's just great. All right, anyhow, I still got the flux on there. I don't know what. Let me clean that off. This wasn't a very hard one to solder on here. You can't really see me do anything anyhow. You're too far away. Well, this will be interesting to see if those letters come back. Oh, they're coming back. I thought that would be a sure sign if it's a knocked off part. When the letters are just painted on them, they go away. These ones, even after an assault with a alcohol swab. You know, they claim that this flux is fine to leave on there, this stuff here, but I don't like to leave it on. Let me take a little bit of All right. I'll do my pin test, if I can find my pin. This lead will work just fine. What I like to do is run a, usually I use a pin, run it over the legs to see if they move at all, then you know you didn't get a good solder joint. Works good, especially when you have a big IC with a bunch. You can go down, and if you have good ears, you can actually hear when it hits one that's loose. Go burning. Okay. So that's good. That board is done, and I'll have to find a radio to stick it in. Make sure it works, because this goes into the radio that won't turn on. Alright, so there's the IC. I'm going to see if I can zoom in on it. Let me see if I can figure out how to do that again. It's weird, it looks like there's a streak across it, but it doesn't.